Sorry to look ugly and old, but I'm ugly and old. Sad day, last day. So we need to do I, a, g, j, g, like good. Oh, duh. We didn't do that one. Okay. So for real, it's the last day. P, d, j, p, like pee pee, d, like doo doo, and j, like you, not shoe, j, like treasure, measure. Let's look up some words. Like, yeah, poo poo, pee pee, doo doo, dee dee, juju, gigi, and g, goo goo, gigi, j, just let's just go with G. Jug, j, judge, j, Joe, Joe. Sorry, my daughter. And so it's not v, it's, see my tongue? Yes, it is different because it can change a word. So you don't say with, no, you say with. So I remember this because I say with a thumb, not v.
TH says oh, I see. Okay, apparently TH also has another sound. TH also says So again, TH has two sounds, the sound and the sound.
Go ahead, look it up if you want more information on YouTube. But and okay, so p, d, j, g, j, I, a. We good? Good. G, g, d.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Now let's do it. It, open hand because, why did the light? Oh, open hand because it's a vowel sound. It, because, well, that's it.
And then we'll do it again.
Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, and do it, and do it. Let's live it up and do it, and do it, and do it, do it, do it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Cause I got a feeling.
Do it. And good. Oh. Are you happy? P, d, j, ha, h, happy?
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine.
Are you bad? Okay. Bad. Ah, missed it.
Nothing, just a way to argue because I'm bad, you know I'm bad, you know.
Yeah, that's all. Polite. Sorry. I'll work on my setup soon. That's it. It's so sad. You're done. So go practice, 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 and practice. Go rewatch the videos, go cue some songs, go do what you do with fun.